Hey folks, welcome to another VR video. Today I am playing Space Viking Raiders VR. So this game is available on Steam right now, not in VR, but the VR version, I want to join with a gamepad, obviously. I'm going to play with a random character, that's totally fine. I want the difficulty to be chill because I'm going to be terrible, as I usually am with this type of game. So the non-VR version of the game, Space Viking Raiders, is available on Steam right now. I'm lucky enough to have the opportunity to beta test this VR implementation of the game. And Dredrick is the leader of the Space Vikings.
Space Vikings. This is the first step we take toward immortality. You'll all live forever as part of the crew of
And I should probably try to move these controllers out of the way. Unfortunately, touch controllers are not available for this game. You have to use a gamepad.
East. We're on another planet in another damn dimension.
Now, this game is completely voice acted.
Stupid question. East is on the right.
We're going to go ahead and skip the rest of the dialogue for right now. And to move, we use the left controller. Now, this is an interesting VR implementation. It's a top-down game, kind of in like a theater space. So it's kind of a diorama.
I love the smell of rubble anymore.
Collect the elementium quickly. All right, let's. There it is.
Let's get more.
So we've got a plasma barrage now. That's cool. Probably be needing that soon. Right trigger, plasma barrage. That's pretty sweet.
Time to raid.
Threat level 1 now. Now let's go ahead and kill these guys. There's a lot of them. Gotta say.
Run to glory.
Alright, so let's see. Can we do these? I'm gonna go ahead and kill them all.
Here comes power.
Here comes more.
Fire.
Well, killed a wave. So I kind of like the diorama aspect of the game, but at the same time, one of the things that I'd like to see more of is, of course, the game just plain. There we go, some health. We can certainly use that.
Board will be plowed.
Alright, so we're gonna go here. Gonna collect that fancy globular mass again, like we did the last time.
Golden will be pleased.
Now we've got a magnetic field that we can use the right button for. That traps them into a formation. So if we trap them into formation and then use the right trigger, that should knock these guys out much faster. trying to knock these guys out. 1 down, 2 down. And I think we've got enough dead. We can go in here now and just attack. Yeah.
This is going to hurt.
So it says it's gonna hurt. It certainly hurt them. Health adds to the threat level. Okay.
Gimme!
Uh-oh.
Time to raid!
I'm gonna go kill this. I like the concept of this one. It kind of feels a little bit like Diablo. Obviously a bit more, I want to say brighter than that game, but fun for sure. %50 health. We need to kill these guys. Now we're at 82. And again, the one thing that I really wish was a bit more immersion. Maybe, I don't know if a first-person mode is doable, but maybe a little bit different top-down. It doesn't feel so... I don't want to say forced, because it's not. I mean, there is a bit of depth there. The diorama theater is a cool concept, and I've seen it with other VR titles as well. So it's not like this is the first time this has happened. It's just, I'd love to see a slightly different, more immersive implementation than just putting the game in a box in front of me. Alright, so that's going to give us chain lightning with the left button. So we're getting more and more of these special attacks as we go. And I see some helpful hints over here. Let's eat some of these plants that moves us faster, as you can see. We hold Y, we can zoom in, and that is actually much cooler. I like the zoomed in aspect a little bit better. Of course, we need to zoom out from time to time. Now we're gonna do it. We're gonna try the chain lightning. Chain lightning's pretty cool, I gotta say.
Fire and glory!
But yeah, I really like the zoomed in aspect a little bit better. You can see the little 3D effects a little bit better. Figured out how to jump. You can see he's got an axe, which I honestly couldn't really see when I wasn't zoomed in. I think he said he didn't get all of that. That's pretty funny. Another wave cleared. More health. All right, here we go.
Here comes power.
Yeah, I really like the more zoomed in. It's weird that's really all it's taking is that little bit of extra zoom, and the game feels way more immersive. I almost feel like I wish that was the default. I mean, obviously I'm gonna need to zoom out from time to time to see more of the screen as more enemies come at me, but for right now,
Your cities crumble.
I'm not really into my city crumbling, but let's see if it'll. There it is. And now we've got the Meta Blast. And that's going to clear the area of enemies and does a lot of damage. It's an escape tool, so probably not going to use that one very often. So that's going to be left trigger. We're going to go ahead and zoom back out for right now.
Time to raid.
So the war cry is the X button. Alright, let's do that. Now we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do that. Obviously, it wants me to use the Meta Blast, but I'm not going to do that yet. It says the formations will change shape when damaged.
Let's move, Space Vikings!
These guys usually give me health, so I'm going to use that so I can get some. Go down this way because I thought I saw. Yep, there's another laser. A few less spawns. See another laser. And I like how these respawn the different power-ups. So you've got the one shield thing over here with the lightning attack that actually will give me more of the blue meter, which is, I think, kind of like a magic meter. And then the gun-like one that shoots lasers gives me more health. So I like that those are unique that way. Alright, Cedric, let's knock out. Let's zoom in so we can see a better 3D view here.
Your cities crumble. More. Let's get more.
And that's it. That's 100%. We have completed our raid. Not much of a carnage score. We got an elementium score. A casualty score for staying alive. We stayed alive that whole game, which is awesome. And we got a silver medal for that raid. That's pretty sweet. We're going to go next. You can see us there. We're going to go to chapters and see. So, I mean, obviously that was probably the tutorial that we just played. There are 9 chapters. Seems like a pretty healthy game. Again, this is available outside of VR right now. It's coming to VR in the future. This is actually my first testing of the game. Again, the developers were nice enough to give me access to the game a little bit early. This is 1 to 4 players, so obviously I can jump in with others in the lobby here. I can also choose between each of these characters as well, which is pretty fun. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll be back with more VR content soon. Until next time, get out there and enjoy some VR for yourself. And thanks for watching.